Welcome makers! We are getting closer to graduation season and I wanted to share this money graduation lei. Give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more graduation lei tutorials. We are going to start by folding our money flowers. Each flower uses $3 bills. My first two folds will create creases for my next folds to follow. I am folding the bill in half both ways. You can use a bone, folder tool, or Cricut scraper like I am to make it easier to fold. My finished flowers show the back side of the dollar bill, but if you want the front side showing, you would flip the bill over before starting to fold. Now I'm going to fold each side to the middle crease we made. Next, we will fold down all four corners. I used the outside white line as a guide when folding the corners. With the pointed ends on both sides, I'm folding this edge to the center as well as the edge on the other side. My last step is to fold the entire bill in half. Once we have 3 folded bills, I'm going to line them up and put a hair elastic in the center to keep everything in place. I like to fold each side in half to make sure my elastic is in the center. Then space out your folded petals. We're going to create the petal by pushing the back side of the petal flat. This creates our flower shape and keeps them in place. I usually make my adult leis 32 to 33 inches long with 3-inch ties on each side. So for an adult money lei, we will need about 18 money flowers or $54 bills. Let's create the base of this lei. I'm doing a Kahoa style base using ribbon today. Today I'm using purple to match school colors. I'm cutting strips of ribbon that are 10 inches long. I like to use a stiffer ribbon so that when you're wearing it, it will drape similar to a fresh lei. I've braided 3 pieces of lei twine about 40 inches long. To attach the ribbon, I'm going to knot it by putting my ribbon under the braid, ends pointed up, and then I'm going to pull the ends through the loop. Then pull and wiggle to tighten it around the braid. Continue to add ribbon until you've reached your desired length. The last step to finish my base is to cut the end of each ribbon into a pointed shape to resemble tea leaf in a fresh kahoa. You can also create this lei using fresh tea leaf or another artificial base. I tried a few different methods to attach the money flowers, and this is what worked for me. If you're using fresh tea leaf, I would sew the flowers on versus tying it on, like we're going to do today. Take a piece of string or curling ribbon and slip it through two sides of the money flower, making sure that it's sitting symmetrically. Place the flower on the ribbon base to decide the placement. Based on that placement, I will choose which ribbon I'm going to tie my flower onto. Flip it to the back and tie the ribbon on with a knot. I decided to add baby's breath in between the flowers as we've done on other lei tutorials. Using a needle and string, I am sewing through the ribbon and braided twine layers to attach the baby's breath. This baby's breath works because it has 3 stems that are connected and closed off at the top. My final step is to finish the money flowers by covering up the ribbon we used to attach them. You can skip this step, or instead of tying off the ribbon on the back side, you can tie it off on the front side and curl the extra ribbon. You can also use flowers, shells, or even a paper logo to finish the money flowers. Today I'm using these paper mulberry flowers that are used for crafting and scrapbooking. I'm cutting them off of the wire stem. Then place a tiny dab of hot glue to secure them to the center of the money flower. Here is our finished lei. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on new lei tutorials.